Hi friends, today we will show you by making a night face pack. If you use it at night you will notice better results. By using it, your skin will be soft, bright and beautiful. Now we will show you the face pack in 2 parts. First, show how to clean your skin natural way. Second, I will make a face pack. So let's start. Fast take divide 1 tomato into part. Reduces open pores. Tomatoes help reduce open pores and blackheads. Just cut a tomato in half and rub all over the skin, letting the juice saturate into the pores. Not only do tomatoes act as an astringent but also help wake up the dullest of skins. Mix amount of sugar with tomato. You only need to use a topical sugar scrub about twice per week. Sugar scrubs are great to use in the winter, as exfoliating the top layer of skin helps moisturizers penetrate more deeply and hydrate longer. Then apply your skin. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes. This will help remove the stains on your skin, and will help to brighten your skin. Keep 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, wash with normal waters. Second step. Now I will show you face pack making. Fast take 4 tablespoons tomato paste in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel can fight acne, prevent dark spots, and even slow down the signs of aging. Add 2 vitamin E capsules. Burst vitamin E capsules with a safety pin and apply it onto the face for that soft, radiant skin you always wanted. Apply vitamin E oil onto the skin to increase levels of the nutrient in the skin tissue. To reduce the appearance of these marks, apply it regularly on the area and rub gently. Add 1 tablespoon almond oil. Thanks to the vitamin E, sweet almond oil keeps your skin cells healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. The fatty acids help your skin retain moisture and can heal chapped and irritated skin. Plus, the vitamin E can help reduce acne. Then mix well. Friends, the pack is perfect for you to use. Apply it on after cleansing your skin. Gently massage the pack into your skin. Wake up in the morning and see how bright and beautiful is your skin. If you use this formula properly, then your skin will be soft, shine and beautiful. If you want to get more solution, please visit our website. If you want to know something, please comment. Subscribe this channel to get more helpful video.